Hi, I'm Jai from BenQ, and in today's video we're going to be checking out our whiteboard application, otherwise known as EZWrite 6, and we'll just be taking a look at a couple of quick and essential features to help get you started with that application. To access our whiteboard from our home screen, we can just select our whiteboard icon, and that will launch directly into the application itself. From here, we can select our pen tool down the bottom of our screens, and we have a couple of different functionalities here. We're able to change our color here, or we can customize our own color too. The first one is just our standard writing or drawing mode. The second one is our highlighter mode, which allows us to use our pens or our fingers as a highlighter. And then the third mode is our dual pen mode, which allows us to select a different color and use two different colors simultaneously. To start with, I'm just going to select a different color here and write on the panel. I'm using the pen here, but you can just use your fingers just the same as well. And obviously, if we can annotate or draw on our panels, we need to be able to erase. And to erase, we can just select the eraser feature here. We can use a spot eraser or a lasso tool just to erase that annotation there too. Now, you might have some existing digital content that you want to use, like photos or images, and you're able to import those into the panel itself, either as a standalone image, or you can use those as a background template. For importing as an image file, we can just select our import option here in our bottom toolbar and select the image icon here. From here, you can see we have a whole range of different storage locations. I've already plugged the USB drive into the front of the panel, you can see here, and that's popped up in my import file option there too. So I can just select the USB drive and then select where my file is located here, and I'll just select an image file here and hit the import button. That will import my image there. I can then use these pull tabs just to resize that image. I can move that around my screen obviously, and I can use my sub menu here to either lock that image or delete that image if I no longer need that. If we want to have a look at our background template option, we can select this icon down the bottom of our toolbar and select this template option here. You can see there's a whole bunch of different templates there that are already pre-made that you're welcome to use, or if you want to use your own image file, we can select the add image here and then select that image from our storage drive as we did with our import feature. If you have any other questions or need any further information, please contact your local BenQ representative or check out our website at benq.com.au. Thanks for watching.